Today we're going to talk about verbs and nouns in Bulgarian. Why? Because for English-speaking students that we have in our educational center, I see this is a topic that is very challenging, and there is a reason why. Because very often students, they don't understand actually sometimes the noun and the verb, they have different words, because sometimes in English it's not like this. I give you an example. I am listening to the music and the listening part of the exam was difficult. So, is it the same part of the sentence? Is it like verb, noun, adjective? Let's see in this video and let's see from where the mistake is coming. I'll give you an example. In Bulgarian we say to stop, okay? The verb to stop means spiram, okay? As spiram. Versus, if you want to say the stopping of the cars, here it's forbidden. We say спирането, the stopping. Спирането на коли е забранено. Okay? So, in English, stopping, I am stopping. This is like present continuous. Stopping can be a verb. But in Bulgarian, stopping, спирането, it's only a noun. Do you follow the logic? Let's see more examples. Аз ям, I eat, okay? And the food, the eating, okay, depends of course in which context how we use it. The eating is healthy. Яденето е здравословно. The noun. Ям, I eat. Яденето, the eating. Пия, I drink. Пиенето, the drinking of, I don't know, fresh in the morning, it's good for your health, for example, yeah? So, пиенето, okay? Пиенето is a noun, here we want to say. Do you understand what I mean? I know that also a confusing part in this topic can be how we form actually these nouns. Is there a certain rule? And not always. So we have a tendency, for example, пия, пиене, шофирам, I drive, шофиране. So we have a lot the ане ending, that it's like a tendency. Here I agree with you. We also have a lot of the nouns that are with ие in the end. For example, продължавам, I continue. Продължение, okay, the continuation, okay, in a way. In English, I know sometimes the translation doesn't sound very good every time, but in Bulgarian, we have really one verb, one noun. So, I continue doing something, продължавам да правя нещо и продължението на втора серия ще бъде в понеделник. So the continuation of second series will be on Monday, for example. Do you see the difference how we use it? Обещавам, I promise. Обещание, again, продължение, обещание, so the promise. In English, some of the words a promise and the promise, actually promise it's one word, but we have it as a noun, a promise, okay, and to promise also can be a verb, to promise, I promise you, okay, a promise and to promise you. So, обещавам, okay, I promise something, и обещание, a promise. Обяснявам, I explain. The verb, I explain something now, yes? And обяснение, the explanation. So here you see in English you have different words. The explanation was clear. Or the explanation was not clear. Let us know in the comment if the explanation of verb versus noun was clear for you or it wasn't clear. I know there are many other words and many other examples. The moment we go on higher levels, on let's say B1, B2 level of the language, there is not always a simple explanation or not always something we can explain you in one 5-minute video, for example, okay? But that's why ask us questions in the comments. Let us know if you want us to make a part 2 of this topic or if you want us to go in more details so that you understand it better, or the opposite. Do you want us actually to give you more examples so that you can have bigger variety of vocabulary? We're here to help you. We have different lessons and we also have these free learning videos. We're here to help you.